Hey guys, Socrates678 here, gonna help you out with Sony Vegas editing a clip from Rumble Fighter to make a series for basic starters. So I use Fraps to record, so all these video files of Rumble Fighter footage are all stored in the Fraps folder. So I just took a random clip and just dragged it over here, and here we already have a clip. Now, for series people, obviously you know that a bad series would be edited, whatever, like a bad video, a bad Rumble Fighter video. So what we want to do is take this whole section out, like just these two portions, and have left with the middle. So it's really easy to do. Just go right here. Oh my gosh, just getting used to this. Okay, event pan crop. Just click that. Now we have this complicated feature. Now, I already have some options set there, but let's just switch. So, to remove these two sections right there, you're going to have to click this one. Size about center. So, once you click that, you're going to go click this right there. You see where my mouse is moving at? That weird box thing? You're gonna click that. Okay, I already clicked it. And let me zoom out real fast. Now watch what happens on both screens. Now, while I'm doing this, I must tell you that you're gonna have to drag this up until the tip of the 3, which is right about there. So here we have a cutoff screen at the tip of the 3 about. So there, we can continue by putting in dialogue right there, but let's just change it up a bit. Like before we get there, we don't want to see the 1, 2, and 3. So listen up, people. I don't want you messing up on me. Okay. So since I already have this option ticked in, you're gonna you're gonna click it again, so it's unclicked in, and you're gonna click this one, lock aspect ratio. So when you start like moving this up and down, whatever, the screen will remain like this. It won't go in like that and like this, all this stuff. It will remain like that. Okay, let's do this. So I'm gonna show you on both screens to see what I mean. So, same thing, go to that box and drag up. So, as you can see on the screen to the right, you can see that the screen is not changing in any form, and that, I'm just zooming into the characters. And for starters, you click, somewhere in the middle, not the very middle, but just around here, and you can adjust it by moving it around. So, if you can see right here on the right side, you can see that, like, the screen is moving like that. So I'm gonna just put it right there. So that's how you get, a decent looking widescreen thing. So next thing I'm gonna show you is how to put text dialogue. Okay, you're gonna go here, the blank side right here, and just right click it and press insert video track. Now I must also say that these are my settings for Sony Vegas. If you do not see anything that I've been showing you, don't ask me. I don't know. I'm not like the engineering guy here. I'm just telling you what I have and what I'm assuming you have, because my settings are default. Okay, anyways, you go to text in media generators. Now you can see that I'm already there, so just click it. Boom, you have all these awesome looking texts. But I'm gonna just go with default text because that's what I always use, and it's always, it's always comfortable to use. So you're gonna click default text, just go down here and drag it right there to the new video track. Now you have this size 72 Arial default setting sample text thing, and you don't want that. As you can see, that's horrible. Now what we want to do is take this and put it right there, which means we're gonna have to make this text smaller. So it's really easy. Just erase this thing, Just what I always go with is 16 or 18. I go 16 because if you upload it onto YouTube, people can see it decently. So you know it's not much of an issue. So you're just gonna type up whatever you want, like, "Hey Socrates, what's up?" Now, as you can see, it's in the center, so things won't be too hard. Now, the problem is it's in the center, and we don't want that. We want it down here or up there. I'm gonna just go with the bottom. So, it's real easy. So, you got size 16, blah, blah. Oops. Okay, whatever. Ignore that. Anyways, you're gonna exit out, and at the text right here, you're gonna press this. What is this called? It's called generated media. Oh, I shouldn't have exited in the first place. My bad. Anyways, you're gonna go to placement, and you're gonna hold on. Oh my gosh. Okay, listen up closely. You're gonna take your mouse and go to the text where it's at, and you're gonna click it and drag it to wherever you want it to. So you can see on the right side is getting affected. So while you're doing this, it's best to look at the screen at the right and see where it's best to be put at. So right about there looks good. And there we go. You put in a dialogue. So that's basically the basics for making a series. And I'm going to show you some advanced stuff later. Socrates signing out. Peace.